Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Unplugged, where we dive deep into the world of software, tools, and innovations that shape our tech landscape. Today, we're exploring a fascinating new Python tool that's making waves, one that helps us visualize and enforce dependencies in our projects. So, how often have you found yourself tangled up in complex dependencies in your coding projects? Let's be real. Navigating those can feel like trying to find your way out of a maze sometimes, right? Well, this tool takes a refreshing approach to that problem with its modular architecture. Now imagine you're working on a big project. You've got various modules, each depending on the other like a house of cards. One wrong move, and everything could come crashing down. This tool is designed to visualize those dependencies clearly, allowing you to see where each piece interconnects. It's like having a map when you're driving in an unknown city. You know where you're coming from and where you need to go. And here's what's really cool about it. It's open source. That means anyone can dive in, customize it, or even contribute to its development. It's a community-driven effort, which always brings fresh ideas and improvements. Plus, it's installable via pip, just a simple command, and you're set. How easy is that? What I find particularly interesting is that this tool can be adopted incrementally. You don't have to overhaul your entire workflow to make use of it. You can start small, integrate it into one aspect of your project, and then see how it fits before going all in. This kind of flexibility is essential in today's fast-paced development environment. Now you might be wondering about the runtime impact. Well, fear not. This tool boasts zero runtime impact, meaning it won't slow down your applications while you're trying to get a handle on your dependencies. It's almost like having your cake and eating it too. As we think about the impact of such tools on our productivity, I can't help but ask, how do you manage your own dependencies? Do you have any best practices you follow? Or maybe there's a horror story of a dependency mishap you'd like to share. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key points we covered. We talked about a Python tool that visualizes and enforces dependencies through a user-friendly, modular architecture. It's open source, easy to install via pip, and can be integrated gradually without impacting your application's performance. These features surely make it a valuable asset for developers everywhere. That's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration of a tool that empowers us to maintain our projects better. Remember, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, keeping a handle on your dependencies can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. Until next time, happy coding.